And then under that one, and it says basic details. What language? Select whatever you did. Name your game. Write a brief description. I like that. Will you be humanity's hope? Then go ahead and give it a category of what kind of game it is. Was arcade not an option, or? Oh, okay. There's some of the options there that they list. So he picked shooting game. Okay, and then where's the status? If you're done with this, what are the options there? Test, demo. Why don't we pick? It's not the full game, so you could pick any of the top three, and maybe it's something that you're planning to add. Maybe it's a demo, either of those. But what I want to be able to test is work in progress is fine, or demo, or even just like a draft, the test experiments and examples. So then go ahead, scroll down. Yep. And then it's suitable for everybody. So there's no swears or gambling or stuff like that, or inappropriate stuff. And then what are the options for supported devices? And then click next. And I think you have to log into your account to make any of this happen. All right. And then next. Game description. Oh, you have to write more. It's saying that you didn't write enough. Maybe you need to put a backstory in here. So the world is in a panic. Viruses are coming and nobody knows how to stop them. They need you, super shooter. I don't know, something like that. But you got to have as many as would go in a Twitter feed, I think. So it's probably like a couple lines worth. Oh, that's funny. So they want you to make an attractive backstory. Okay, I don't blame them. That's helpful. It kind of like describes the setting of everything that you're doing. Scroll to the top and see if it is. Oh man, we need a little bit more. Will you be humanity's help? I want to end with that for sure. Maybe you write, do you have what it takes before that? And then it says, will you be humanity's hope? That should give us, I don't know, 25 more. Try and hit submit. Let's see. That should be enough. Next. Oh, there you go. Upload your game, find your file. And are there any files outside of the main one? No. So you would have already exported your game, then you're just uploading the file. If you exported it, it should be right there. Oh, it must be a zip and no more than 100 megabytes. Then click upload to the right. Oh, sweet. And I think this is all you have to do to play it. It should just be like a pop out. Oh, nope. Uh-oh. Maybe you picked the wrong file? Oh, ha. So do you want to use the newer one? It says they have an older version that's already updated. Did you like make any changes? If you didn't, just use the older one. It looks like it's already in the arcade, buddy. So that's how you do it. And he's already got it on there. So where do we play it? So if you view it on the arcade on the left side, oh, click publish this game. All right, and then let's test this, guys. Oh, can't publish it. You need to make a screenshot image for your game. Open something from the game. And you can always go back and delete this or put it in arcade and leave it there. Man, if you scroll down, is there anything else in there? Full description. Oh my gosh. We're going to leave that blank. And we're going to leave the instructions blank. What's underneath that? Is there like a little checkbox? Wow. Click on settings. It's public. Keep going down. Let's see. Wow. Huh. Dang, where the heck? Oh, well, look out on the left. Is there anything else that we need to click on? Click publish. What does that say now? Or just on the bottom? Huh. Now it still says you don't have the main image. Go back to where you put the upload the image for your game. And put your image back in there. I know you just did that. I watched you do it, but maybe we clicked before it had already uploaded. And wait, oh, this is why. So remember when we were drawing in Piskel and it told us how wide is it? So they're saying it's too small. So maybe we put it into Piskel. We upload into Piskel and that tells us how many, maybe we can stretch it using that program. I have not tried this. You can do it yourself and let's just check it out. So see if it'll let you import it into that. Wow, where would you do that? Browse images. Yep. And then see if you can find it in there. Or you can pick any of those and just make them bigger. It would be great if it said the name, but yep. Now on the right side of the screen, remember is where you, resize it. Yep. So what was the size? Make it like, what did they say? 450 by 408, but you could make it maybe bigger. What does it say? Oh, at least 450 by 300. So make it 500 by whatever, 500 by 500 or something. Yep. Wow, this is a different way to use this program. Okay, import. All right, now we need to save it. Yep. And then save as Piskel. No, we need to change the file kind. So to your gallery, let's save in our, as a GIF. Yep. Yep. Export as, yeah, do that one. That's fine. Single frame PNG. Just so it's downloading that. Just flip back right quick here to choose your file. All we did was convert it and make it a little bit bigger. We're not trying to make it perfect right now. We're just trying to make this work. So it should say this is the PNG file. Yep. That's it. Top one. Should be fine. Kilobytes is still very small. And then open, let's see. And click upload, let's see. Hey, you got the green light, man. Nice. Okay, that's the image linked to your game. It looks really small, but it's probably, they want you to crop it. What part do you want people to see? So move that over like to the word virus or something. Will it let you stretch from the corners? Like drag bottom right to make it bigger-ish? Oh, there we go. Yep. Okay. So, cool. Perfectly positioned. All right, crop. This is so many steps just to put your graphic on there. But they want all of the games in the arcade to look the same. So that's why. Okay, and then should like fill the whole screen. Okay. Yep. There, it's ready. So scroll down. What's underneath that? Oh my gosh. You got to do all that? Game icons and screenshots too? Wow. Okay. Your image is cropped. Was there anything else underneath that? You need to go through that whole thing about game files, and let's see what we're missing. Just make sure you went through everything. Oh my goodness. I feel like you shouldn't have to do screenshots. Like that's, man. Click publish. Will it just take it? You can always upload. Ooh, here's my cool viruses you get to shoot. Oh, there's the agreement. Okay, go to the bottom. You realize that you are putting this on their platform. If there's money to be made, they're probably going to try to make it. And then fine print. I expect that you were the one that made everything that's in it. Yep. And I take legal responsibility if somebody says, hey, you were using somebody else's stuff. Publish game. You're good. Oh, there it is. Share link. So copy. And then paste it in the chat. Let's see. All right, folks, let's try it out. Does it work? Does it work? You said thank you for sharing all of that. I really appreciate it. I'm going to click on this. You guys try it. Let's see. Stop presenting. Thank you. Thank you very much. You are like the first. This is cool. I'm going to present mine right quick. And we're going to see if it opens. And I'm testing it because I'm not on your computer at your house on your network. I just want to see if it'll even pop up. So let's try it. Let's click Yased's link. Everybody do that because I want him to get some feedback of people that have tried his game and it pops up correctly on your machine in a different house in a different community. Okay, so this is like the game. Actually, this isn't that different than Cool Math Games. Okay, press enter to start. I can move my plane. And there's my buttons. You said this is great. I appreciate that you put at the top, press space to shoot and arrow keys to move. So your directions aren't super complicated, but there's all of the little viruses that you have to kill. Oh my gosh, this is like a Space Invaders game, a shooter game. I like it, man. And it works. I'm going to let myself get killed here. There's my score down below. All we did was change the design of how stuff comes in, and I died, and there we go. Oh, man. I don't know if you got the audio working, but I think I have to die first. Hey, there it is.